Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a door, a window, a sofa, chest door and a bed. So now we're going to get, let's start with, we're going to get a door, okay, and I already cut this out and made it as a shape. And then this, and I even cut this out, so just going to replace it here and here. Has to make a space in the middle of the door. So let's start sketching. We can use a ruler and a pencil to sketch it. Okay guys, I just made the window. Now I'm gonna make the post letters. Okay, now we did the door, and now we're going to grab this, and now we're going to sketch it. So now we're going to get PVA glue, and we're just going to put it just like that. Okay, now we're going to close it. Okay. Okay, now we're going to use this. Now we're going to get the again PVA glue. Okay, now we sticked it. We're gonna get some sticks, these small sticks, and we're gonna replace them on the outline. Okay, now we got the glue stick. Put it on. Okay, now we're gonna get another. And grab the glue. Stick it. Grab the stick. Okay, now I need a post box. we're gonna make the window.
Now we're gonna make the window.
So now we're gonna put this here to the shape. If we're gonna put it there. Okay, now we did that. Now we're gonna grab the ruler and outline the lines. Glue. Get some from here. I'm gonna put some on it. Okay, when we've done that, we're gonna turn it on the side. And we're gonna stick it where we traced the lines on it. Now we're gonna gently put it on it. Okay, when that's good, we're gonna get another one. And grab it and put it next to the place where we put the other stick. Grab another stick. Let's see if it fits. Now when we do that, we're gonna grab this, put it on here, and we're gonna get this one again. We're gonna grab that, put that there again. Now we're gonna get the clothes, and we're gonna fold it a tiny bit there. Now we're gonna put the Okay, when we do that, we're going to get some glue. Then we're going to fold it again because it went loose. We're going to do this. Fold it on. Okay, when we do that, we're now going to get the foam paper. Just like that, it looks like this and this. And we can put one on there. Okay, now we're gonna get the ruler and the pencil again, and we're gonna make 3 lines on it. A chest roll now. And we're gonna put it like this. Now we're gonna get some cotton bud and just spread it. That we're gonna stick it on here. Sticks. So we can grab one stick and put it right on here. Okay, when we've done that, here's 4 orange pom-poms. You can use other colors, but I just used these orange ones. So there has to be small size, not the medium or big one. So I'm gonna get some of this glue. there, there, and the last. We need this. Straight. Put it right there. Then we're gonna push it right. Push it hard, then it sticks to properly like the other. We've got some glue. Now we've got the paper. I'm gonna put it to that. Okay guys, so I made all of this, and these are the curtain, and this is the window, and all the sticks are there. So these are the curtains, so if you want to check, it's right here. Then this is the door, it's the handrail, this is the post when you get it. This is the handle when you open the door. This is the sticks of the outline. This is just a decoration up there. This is the bed. These are the cushions. This is the mattress over here. It's red, red, red. And even this. So then we go on the chest drawer. These, you might seem like these look weird, but actually if you look closely, you can, if you pull them, a drawer will come out. And all these, if you pull them out, they will get a drawer, but not really right now, but like the real ones. So this is the sofa. It's with this, and then we have the part where you sit on it, and there's the behind it, the cushions, the big one. Made all of this, and I hope you love looking at it, and you can make it at home. So, and design with different colors. You don't need to make like purple and red and pink and blue and green. You can make it with different colors. And I hope you love this video, and hope you subscribe and hit the bell and like this video. Bye!